Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn how to make these unique crafts on your way. Isn't it looking pretty? Just give your paper a fold like this and then from the top and bottom from both the sides and then paste the googly eyes, and here it is ready, these puppets. Now again you have to take a sheet of paper, get the cuttings like this and then fold it in this manner. You need to get the shape and strings like this, then rotate it further and you need to paste these lovely beautiful cutouts looking damn pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna. Again you need to take a paper, fold it and give it a shape like this, paste one over the other in this manner and then you need to secure it. Your umbrella is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Now you need to take a balloon and what are we going to do? You need to press it further and with the help of rubber band tie it. Now just get it from the another side and what are we going to do? You need to just press it further and here's to it. Looking damn pretty, right? And here you can definitely play with it. Super amazing. Now you need to take the sheets of paper, these lines, and then make a zigzag pattern. Interlock these in this manner. Okay, paste it in this way and let's see what are we going to do with these. Yes, you need to just secure it further and here's to it. Damn amazing, right? Now just make a cylindrical shape like these, paste it one over the other and here's to it, make the claws and then get the cutouts further, make the beak and then here's to the result. Pretty cool. Now how are we going to make the snail? You just make with the help of a circular sheet, make the spirals and then paste it further, looking damn pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to do next. Just take this marker and then you need to paste it further one over the other. You need to make these patterns. It is gonna look damn amazing. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to do next, and here's to it. You can definitely play with it. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here's to it. You just need to cross it and then paste it further. You will get a beautiful lovely t-shirt like this and you can definitely make it. Now take an empty bottle and then get the strings. You need to roll these sheets of paper and then paste some cotton balls over it and write 2022 and here's to the result. You can just put it further and it is definitely glowing. Now take a cardboard sheet of paper, make the lines like this and get the cutouts in this manner, fold it further and then what are we going to do? Just take the clay and put it on the top. Beautiful, isn't it? Now take a plastic cup and here's to it, put the straw here and then keep it one over the other in this manner and it is damn amazing. Looking damn pretty, right? Take the bottle caps and then paste the strings like this with the help of glue gun. You need to join it together. Now the straw, you need to paste it further and it is yet ready. Now let's see, again you have to take a sheet of paper, get the folds and creases in this manner, get the lines and then fold it further. Let's see what are we going to make, what are we heading towards. Yes, in the end you'll be getting an amazing beautiful result. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Keep on proceeding further and it is the result. Thank you guys.